Hi. So, how many of you have faced this problem while pushing the code? Unintentionally, you have pushed node modules, credentials, any to-do commands, and apart from that, any linting errors, and so on. So, basically, in every SaaS product or in every company, there are junior developers who don't know and who are not yet introduced to the guardrails of the company, and they by mistake pushed any commits which contains credentials or any routes which are not that scalable, or they haven't used a syncio in any route or something like that. So every company has its own guardrails, right? So yeah, I saw this problem. So the problem is the senior developer has to spend 5 to 6 hours of the week resolving these small bugs and while reviewing the PR of the junior developers. So while solving this problem, I come up with repoDoc. So what repoDoc do when you introduce any repo here in the repoDoc? So it will just go through the repo and find the errors like lint errors, and it will first observe, then decide, act, and verify, and then create the PR. So you can see I here in this repoDoc has created one PR. Like, it has given me that these are the bugs that it has find, and yeah, while before merging the bugs, I can also talk to the repoDoc that what are the bugs that you have written, and anything related to that, any extra information if the before merging, if the user wants any extra information regarding the code changes that the repoDoc has done. Here in the repoDoc, you can see there is a section to introduce the guardrails. So by default, I have given some huh, default guardrails that I have seen in my own experience and career, that these are the guardrails. Like, let's consider the enterprise package. In this, no secrets, no eval, no debug, no print statements, no to do, and no hard-coded IPS, security review, and code quality. And let's take one example from my own repos. Let's go to the repos, and I have created one demo repo here. Here. So I have intentionally introduced some bugs in it to let you guys know how it works. So yeah, I have given my repo. I have select the guardrails. Optionally, I can give the Telegram ID. So let's give our Telegram ID. Where is my ID? So yeah, don't copy it. Else you can do it. Uh, yeah. So I will just click watch rep, and it will just in the backend as a backend route. It will create one task and complete it. Since it has already, due to the time constraints, I have already did this for this repo. I will just show you. Let's go to the dashboard. Yeah, this is repo.demo. Demo. See, these are the bugs, logical bugs, like no hard-coded secrets, like, and no detects hard-coded API keys, detects dangerous eval or execute calls. So these are the errors and the bugs that the repoDocs is detect. And if I go to the repo or the PR, first I will show you the issues that it has found. These are the issues it has found. And apart from that, this is the PR that it has created. If I want uh, summarize, if I just comment it here, or either I can comment it on here. Can you summarize here? Yeah, the PR addresses the critical security and code quality issues. These are the summary. And also, while updating any changes, or doing any changes, finding bugs, cloning the repo, it updates on the Telegram bot also. Here I have used for tool calling and as a brain of my system, I have used OpenCloud. So what OpenCloud is, just I will show you the services of the OpenCloud. Mm, Let me show you this thing. Just my request. See, I am repoDoc. This PR addresses server security vulnerabilities, and these are the vulnerabilities it has introduced. And yeah, and after that, I will show you the services of OpenCloud in my system. So basically, what OpenCloud is, yeah, I have noted down here. Uh, yeah. So what happens in the backend is OpenCloud clones the repo. My system clones the repo and picks PyTest or Flake or any guardrails that the user has selected. It will just run the loop of those guardrails, test suits, linear parses, failures into structured bugs, and verify, generates surgical Gemini fixes. I have used Gemini 2.5 Flash in through OpenClaw, and after running a test, if the test gets passed, whether it is a PyTest or anything else, uh, then it creates a PR. And the only job that the senior developer now do is to just review and merge it. That's it. And if they have any problem while reviewing, if they are unable to understand any issues or anything, any changes that the open that the repoDoc has done, they can just ask that, can you explain me this? Can you explain me that? Yeah, that's all about my project. Thank you.